Welcome to Bookers Masterclass. It has been long, I've been here. I promise you guys I'll be dropping a video on technical analysis. Everything you need to know about technical analysis, the indicators to use, chart patterns, many things we are going to talk about today. So, if you are a newcomer in this channel, please do well and subscribe and turn on the notification button so that once we drop a new video, you'll be able to watch it for the first time and gain the information. In this video, after this video, you'll be able to do your own technical analysis by yourself. You'll be able to analyze trades, know what to trade, no time to trade, no time to exist, and do the whole thing by yourself. No need to find for someone that will be giving you signal. I'm going to show you practically all the things you need to do. Just simple steps and good strategy that works for me. And I'm sure if you apply it on your own strategy, if you use it as your own strategy, it will work for you. So sit down and relax and watch this video so that you'll be able and capable to do the work by yourself. Crypto is life and crypto is the future. So learn now and earn forever. So let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back. So we are talking about technical analysis today. Technical analysis. Some of you don't know the meaning of technical analysis. So right here, I'll be showing you the meaning of technical analysis and how you can walk through that. So, what is technical analysis? Technical analysis is one of the popular ways to estimate and predict the price of an asset. In the near future, it aids in developing a perspective on market conditions that will impact an asset making it critical tool for traders and investors. Let me come again. It's one of a popular way to estimate and predict the price of an asset in the near future. That is, it's one of the ways you can use to know what the price of an asset is going to do in the near future. Okay? It aids in developing a perspective on market condition that will impact an asset, making it critical tool for traders and investors to use. Technical analysis provide information about the price target that one should adhere to for buying or selling assets. The ideal holding period if you are a trader, the risk exposure and expected rewards. This is the scenarios of what technical analysis implies. Okay, it creates the ground, it creates the environment of what's going to happen in the near future, maybe in different time frames. Okay, as we go on, I'm going to show you how you can navigate using different time frames to know the type of trade you're going to make. So let's go. Purpose of technical analysis. What are the purpose of technical analysis? Why do we do technical analysis? Why do we need technical analysis? To understand the market condition, 1, the area of value, 2, how to combine and find high probability trade, entry trigger and exit point, very important. These 4 are some of the main aspects why we use and the main benefit why we use technical analysis to understand the market condition, whether it's in bull or whether it's in bear, what to do or what not to do. The area of value, where is the area of value? Where is the trader, where is the sellers concentrated on? Where is the buyers much on? Have the buyers taken the hold of the market this area, or have the sellers taken the hold of the market this area? This is the what technical analysis will tell you, how to combine and find high profitable trades. Okay, with different technical analysis, technical indicators, you will understand where there is trade to make for you not to lose your money, for you not to lose your capital. Entry, trigger, and exit points. Are you going to enter at this point or to exit at this point? Technical analysis shows you what to do. Okay, now let's go. Objective of technical analysis. What and what do we need in making technical analysis? Eh? So we need drawing tools. In drawing tools, we can find trend line, trend channel, support and resistance line, etc. I'll show you that in time to come. As we go on, I'm going to show you trend line, candlesticks, trend channels, and indicators. These are mostly what is, if when combined together, you make a good technical analysis in crypto or in stocks. Okay, now let's go. What are trend line? A trend line is a line drawn through a chart to show the trend. A trend line shows where there is trend. In the context of trading, trend lines are drawn on price charts to show the trend in the price. Traders use this information to determine whether to buy or sell in the direction of the trend. Trend line can be used for a cryptocurrency. Trend line are one of the best known price action indicators used in technical analysis. Note that very well. Okay, how does trend line works? The classic way to draw a trend line is by drawing a straight line connecting a series of swing high or swing low. An uptrend line is drawn through the swing lows and downtrend line is drawn through the swing highs. In that same way, the trend line is acting as support to the uptrend or as a resistance to the downtrend. Trend line are often referred to as dynamic support and resistance, meaning the way that they move with the price trend. Do you understand? It acts as a dynamic support and resistance. Class. Trend line acts as a dynamic support and resistance. So let me show you. This is a trend line. This one is drawn from the bottom, showing you an uptrend. An uptrend. When we go to trend channel, I'm going to show you more about this. This is a trend line. A trend line is determined as correct when you connect more than two different points. You see 1 point, 2 points, and 3 points. From here, the price move from here and pick. This trend line acts as a support. This particular one acts as a support. It goes up and comes down again at the same support. It goes up and comes down again. Higher high, higher high, and higher high. This is showing you that this trend is an uptrend. You understand? Then let's see the downtrend. The downtrend goes this way. Now trend line is now acting as resistance. It goes up and touch here and comes down again. It goes up again, the same here and touch down again. It goes up and touch down again. This is showing you that the market is in downtrend. And what do you do when the market is in downtrend? You know how to protect your asset. You have to go, you know that the time the market is falling, you need to go short if you are a future trader. And if you are a spot trader, then you wait to know what the market is forming because you can get to the market and buy. Okay, so trend line works when you connect mostly 2 points also works, but for you to get an accurate trend line, you have to connect 3 different points, thereby making it a good trend. Okay, that's about trend line. I'm still going to show you practically in our trading view how to draw a trend line. Okay, let's go trading view, and this is our trading view. So this is our trading view, and I'm gonna show you one thing. I'm gonna show you one I like to use for our chart. For our chart is one of the most accurate charts to use. So when you cannot find so sorry guys, what's happening? These people always sorry guys, I'm trying to log into my account here. I'm back. So this is 1-day chart on a Bitcoin. How do you draw a trend line? You draw like this, connecting 3 different points. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can connect more than 4. You see, this already showing you that the market is going in downtrend side. You can draw the second one from here, and you can draw from here. You can draw from here to now. Connecting 3 different points, showing you that the market is in downtrend. You can also see from here, when you draw from up, from here, I'm trying to go so you draw from up, you can see that when the market is in downtrend, and the market is in bull trend. So this is how you actually determine whether the market is in downtrend, which if you draw from here to here, you will see that the market is going down. This is a downtrend from higher high, lower, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. You see, the market is in downtrend. So how do you know that this market is in downtrend? From here, you will see that the price touches here and still move up. It touches here and they still move up to here. It touches here and still move up to here. It touches here and still move up to here. So now, when the price break out, okay, there is one scenario that happens. I want to show you guys one scenario that happened day before yesterday, and the price break out, and I told my friends that we are going to expect 30k on Bitcoin very soon. And I told my friend that we will be expecting 30k on Bitcoin as soon as possible. What is this? As soon as possible. So let me use here. I don't know why these things are acting up. Okay. Yeah. This was when the price broke from here. Yeah. When the price broke from here, and yeah, when the price broke from here, you can see when you have when you have your trend line, go, go. Now from here, connecting this, good. It's also breaking up, but out here, connecting this and this, showing you that the market is in downtrend. So I told my guys that if price broke from here down, we are going to expect more fall on Bitcoin. But if price continues drops here and continues in an uptrend mode, then Bitcoin is going to keep going into 43, 44. Then I told my friends, I said, we need to watch this aspect because this is a strong support zone. Once you draw this trend line, you know when the price hits here, it goes up, it hits here, it goes up, it hits here, it goes up. Then you draw here, you need to know that when is this trend closing. So had it been this price break from here, we will see 27 actually very drastically, but it hits here again and still pick up to the top side, showing you that when you are at this particular extent of trade, you have to wait to see what the price is forming. With other technical indicators, you will know what the price is forming. After, maybe from here, you can now be sure that the price didn't break this support to the downside, but the support acted as a support and pushed the market to the upside. Then you can now apply your trade from here and you will see a massive bullish movement from here. So let's go. This is about trend lines, how it shows trend, how it shows you whether you are in a trend bull market or a trend when the trend is bearish or when the trend is in downtrend. When it is in downtrend, you are in bearish market. When it is in uptrend, you are in bullish market. So let's go. Support and resistance. What are support and resistance? The support and resistance in crypto analysis are the most basics any technical analysis need to know. Resistance. A resistance means a level where the price find a ceiling like an uptrend like this. Okay, this level, once the price hits here, it comes down. So this place is resisting me. This my hand is resisting me from going up. So this place is called the resistance. Then when my hand is here and I'm going up like this and I want to go up, mistakenly my hands fell down and I fall here. You see, this place is supporting me not to go downside. What do we call here? We call it support, and the upside is resistance. Like this, we have it in crypto. There are critical areas where we know as support and resistance. When the price hits the resistance, it tries to push the price down. But when the price hits the support, it tries to push the price to the upside. As a trader, you need to find the support and resistance while placing your selling point, your entry point, and your buying point. You have to target first one, first two are resistance level. Resistance helps you to understand where to place your first target. If you are in long position, you know where to put your first target. But if you are in down position, support helps you to know where to put your first target. That once the price hits here, there may be actually an opportunity for the price to go up. That's a support area. And before a support is confirmed a support, you must find an area of value where price has attested many times and it keep pushing up. Maybe price attest for the first time, it pushed up. The attest for the second time, it pushed up. That place is known as a critical support. And also a resistance level is where price has reached and down and didn't break up and is pushed down. This level is known as a resistance level. Let me show you what I mean by here. You see, this place is resistance level. The price attested reached here and fall. Okay, the price has reached here and fall down. It means that the price has tested the higher level of here and it couldn't go up, then it falls down. While falling down, there is a support. Here is a support, a critical support. This is area of value. This is area of value where price did something like this, you know, is an area of value. This place is an area of value. This place is an area of value. By finding three area of value, you know that this place is a confirmed support. By finding three area of value as a resistance, you know that this place is an area of resistance level. Then right now, let's go back to our chart and find a support level. So I'm gonna clean this and show you some things. Show me. So um, so you can see, and okay, which chart on my one? This is resistance level. Okay, this is support. Okay, so I'm trying to find a good support. Okay, yeah, so something happened yesterday, and that was when I told people that when I said if you're in my group, I said that Bitcoin right now is in a critical support zone, and if Bitcoin were able to break this support, we are going to see 38k, 39k in a short period of time. But if this support were able to hold back Bitcoin, we are going to see a push up, and that didn't happen. There was a break and we saw everything start falling drastically to the downside. So let me show you. This place is a support zone. This is a support zone, and this place, this is also another support zone. Okay, this is also another support zone. So as a trader, what you need to do is, so let me remove this. Let me remove this. So So let's draw one support zone here. Price has tested here and continued here. You see. So this was what's happening yesterday in crypto. So this was what's happening yesterday, and I said once the price of Bitcoin, if the price if the price of Bitcoin if the price of Bitcoin if the Bitcoin break this support that's here, when the price was here, I was saying this when the price was 40, I was saying this, if this Bitcoin were able to break this support to the downside, then we are going to see a very drastic pull down on Bitcoin. I said it and it happened, and immediately Bitcoin broke this support and we started seeing 39k, 39.7, something like that. And we're still on a critical zone because so far this support has broke. There is a high possibility that Bitcoin is going to fall to here. There is a high possibility that another support, another wait, this is another this is another critical support zone. This one is another critical support. This is another critical support zone. So a Bitcoin were not able, this is another critical support, this place, and this place. This one has already broken, coming to the downside, and I told you guys that if BTC didn't break this, if this is BTC break this support, we are going to see the pull down of BTC, and it happened. BTC pull. So here there is a 70% possibility that Bitcoin is coming here before pushing up 36k per car. So there is a very big possibility that Bitcoin is coming here. So that's about support. And in terms of resistance, you can see that this place here is a critical resistance level. Here another resistance level. Here is another resistance level. Here, when there is value, area of value, when two price resisted, this place also is another resistance level. This place also, if Bitcoin managed to fall to here and here, when picking up, we can expect that it will pick up to here first, second, and third. So as a technical analysis, while placing your sales target, this is what determines, this is what you see if you are placing, if you are in long position, all these places where you know that price may come. It's possible that if price is going to break up from here, we are going to see a push up, no resistance to here, from here to here. You can see it happens in the past. When the price move up, it falls here and come down. Okay, I'm come down to here, still falls down to here as a support. It push up again, it happens again, and it still comes to this level, and it still comes to this level and fall down. These are what is known as support and resistance. You can do an option once also. So all these are, I don't know, I just spoil my trade, my sorry guys, this video is gonna take a long time because we need to do everything practically. We're showing you as it is and as it is happening, so that you will not miss every opportunity here. So I don't spoil my trading view. It's not showing me what cool, cool, cool. Yeah, cool. So this is exactly what I'm trying to show you. This is a support. This is forming as a resistance level because price has broken the support. Okay. This one is this is another area of resistance you draw through here. So if price broke ups and still comes to the downside, we are going to expect in 2 hours. This is a 2 hour chart. Before you get confused, this is a 2 hour chart. The one we were using before is 4 hour chart. So this is a 2 hour chart. So to show you very clearly what's going to happen in 4 hour period. So this is all about then support and resistance. Trend line also serves as a support and resistance. I've told you guys that before. Trend line also serves as a support and resistance. See from here to here, from here to here, touching 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It depends. You have to touch up to 3 points, 3 or 2 points, showing you this is a resistance level. This is a higher level. This is another higher level. This is a higher level. This is a higher low. This is support. All these are support, okay, showing you that this has hold the price in the past. And you know, technical analysis shows what price has done in the past. So let's go. Then here we talk about candlestick chart, candlestick patterns, candlestick pattern, the tree blue, black cow, the evening stars, the abandoned body, the bottom line. Single chart pattern include the hammer and the doji. Candlestick charts are technical tools that pack data from multiple time frames into a single price bar. This makes them more useful than traditional open high, low, close bar or simple line that connect the dots of closing prices. Candlestick build patterns that predict price direction. Once completed, proper color coding adapts as read and all these things, you know. So the main focal point on this thing, candlestick chart pattern and candle and chart trend channel is a whole topic on its own. I'm just going to tell you the two I used, the two I focus on, which is hammer and doji. Whenever you see a hammer chart candle, you know that this is a time of bullish, and that the market is going to go bullish. But when it's silver, you see doji is the opposite of them. You're gonna when you see doji, you know it's a bearish reversal candle. So it's a bearish reversal candle. Now we go on trend channel. What does a trend channel mean? The channel has a couple of key purposes that are useful for traders. It allows a trader to know what the state of market is. Are we in a bull run or in the market, or is the market currently leading by the bears? A well-drawn channel can give a clear picture and allow for a calculated response. Okay, we have drawn a chart pattern before because we don't have time. I need to rush this video so that you can have your time and watch it very well. I'm just going to show you some little things and you'll be able to make awesome trade by yourself. So it indicates a good entry and exit price. Channel shows the support and resistance level for a current trend, when to enter and exit. In general, it is a good idea to enter the market when the price have hit the lower trend line. Remember, the lower trend line, and a good time to take some profit when the price touches the upper trend line. Before you get carried away riding the wave, bear in mind that channels have to be drawn in parallel, that is a single like this. So if it does not fit, the channel are not parallel. The channel is likely inaccurate, just like the trend channel line. The forcing a channel could lead to poor trade or investment. Don't try to force a channel. If a channel is not going, you can see when I did some channels, sometimes it's not. I'm forcing it and it's not going. So when sometimes you have a range channel, and this range channel, you may be forcing it to go in your own direction. You may be drawing up and down to go in your direction, By doing this, you are making a mistake which can lead to a wrong trade or wrong investment. So I'm going to show you right now what a channel is. This is a channel. This shows you this is an up channel, up or low. When you see this, when a trade is going higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Okay, from high to low, from high to low, from high to low, from high to low. No, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. You know that this is an uptrend, but it's higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. You know that this is a downtrend. This is an uptrend. Yes. And whenever the market is an uptrend, it's bullish. Once you see a channel forming like this, you know that this is a bullish trend. If you come in this side, long. Come in this side, you long. But once the things reverse and you start seeing higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, then you know that this is a downtrend and it's time to exit the market or it's time to short the market. This is a range. When it's going sideways channel, when it's going like this, boom, 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 you know that this is a range channel and it's very hard to predict what will happen next because it is in sideways. You don't determine. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is technical indicator. Focus points are moving average. What are moving average? The SMAs, the WMAs, the relative time index, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and all that. So I'm going to show you some things you need to know on moving averages and how all of them react to price actions. So moving average is a technical indicator that helps to smooth out price action by filtering out the distracting random price fluctuation. This indicator is also known as a lagging indicator because it focuses more on the past price. Below are the three moving averages we have simple moving average, we have exponential moving average. Simple moving average is a moving average that smooths trend. Simple moving average try to calculate the price or the average whereby the price closes, the three moving average showing that the whereby where the price closes in a different time frame. Okay, the average of the price. Let's assume you have a where the price closes. Let's assume you're using 11-day moving average and it closes in different times, and maybe it closed in 11. You started in a, let's assume you're using 2 hour and a price close, one price closed at 2, one price closed at 3, one price closes at 2, 7, 11. The 3 divided by the period is determine the average of that chart. Do you understand? If you don't understand, then you have to go and make some. SMA means the accurate current price plus the time frame divided again by the period. Then this helps you to get the actual moving average. I'm talking about the SMA moving average. Why exponential moving average? Exponential moving average calculates the average. It shows exponential shows you the recent average of which price closes. Okay, the recent one, that is, it picks out the most recent one that you must focus on. Okay, then so simple moving average, what it normally does is that it divides price data. It divides price data and bring out the total number. Okay, so what of a then the next thing we want to show is how this moving average reacts to price. So what is weighted moving average? Weighted moving average gives weight to a price data chart in the past. All this can be basically be used to determine the market strength and extract time to go in. Okay, all these are determining what the market is trending on. the strength of the market and how the market is moving. So this is what we get by moving average. So I'm going to combine moving average, RSI, and Bullion Bands to determine the price, what the price is doing. What is Bullion Bands? Some of you don't know Bullion Bands. Bullion Bands is also a band that determine whether that shows a dynamics. Bullion Bands is used to determine to show a dynamic support and resistance. Bullion Bands also serves as a resistance and it serves as a support. So when the middle band is touching the price, it determines that the price is going to bullish, that the market is in bullish condition. But when it touches the red candle, it determines that the price. Well, I'm talking about the let me show you what I mean. Let me show you what I mean. So, and I have to check something. So let me show you what I mean here. I gave out a trade today. Theater USDT. So this is the price of theater as of today. Okay, all our signal is going well, trying to close at the first price. I predicted this and it's happening, guys. So what did I use in making this trade? I used simple moving average. I added my all simple moving average, and it helps me to know where the price is moving is going to. So right now I'm going to combine three indicators. This is what I use, and after that the video ends. So I'm going to combine three indicators to show you how I do my. So I'm going to add, first I'll add RSI. Okay, I've added my RSI. So let me show you something here. Let me show you something here. Okay, there is something you need to learn here. So when the RSI plot crosses above the signal line, we get a buy signal. See, this is RSI plot and this is a signal line. Okay, this is a signal line, which is a simple moving average, 14-day simple moving average. Okay, and this is an RSI plot. I use this a lot and it works. So follow me, let me show you how it works. Okay, I don't know, but I'm just having my trading view is just disturbing me because I'm using my system. If I'm using desktop, everything will be big, but just manage it. If you can see it very clear, manage it and learn. The most important thing is for you to know what these things are, so that you apply it on your own, then you make an awesome trade. So let's see, when the RSI plus crosses above this signal line, this is a signal line. This is a signal line. I can make it tick. This is a signal line. Then this is an okay. Oh shit. So okay. This is a signal line. This is an RSI plot. Okay. This is an RSI plot. When an RSI plot crosses above the signal line, we get what? A buy signal. So this is from here, it crosses above the RSI, the signal line. From here, we start going bullish. You can see what the price did. We went bullish here, we went bullish here, from here, you see. Here, look at when the RSI plus crosses above, we went bullish. From here, we went bullish, we went bullish, we went bullish. Then here, it started going below. When it started going below, we start going bearish. And the next thing is, when the RSI plus crosses below the signal line, we get a sell signal. Let's assume you went in this trade from here. When you saw this go up in the signal line, you went on this trade from here. You will be in bullish till here. Then you will start seeing that the RSI plot has pushed to the downside. Now coming to the downside, it shows you, what does it shows you as a trader, as an analyst? It shows you that the price now is falling. Then what do? We sell off. Okay, you can see from here. So from here now, okay, the RSI plus start going down, and we went on an the dump run. The price dumped, it keep dumping till here. When you saw this at up, the price pumped. Then today, when I wanted to check what can my community trade, what can we trade today, what can I trade today, the first thing I did, I just come up here and I added my RSI. Immediately it shows me like this, and I added my moving average. It shows me that, what helps me to know, because we entered this trade when it was 3.72. We are on massive profit right now, me and my communities. So when we enter this trade at here, 3.70 something, I added moving average. All the moving average I added showed me that they are in support of this particular trend. So as they are in support of this particular trend, we made profit from there. We started falling. Okay, once you know, the first thing you know is to confirm whether the moving average is in support of the trend. If they are in support of the trend, then you go, because it shows that the price is going to fall. No matter the fluctuation, it's still going to fall. So let's add, let me now delete. Okay, let me leave this one so that you understand. Listen again. When the RSI plus crosses above the signal line, we get a buy signal. When it crosses below the signal line, we get a sell off. So let me add moving average. I want to add a moving average, and I want to add moving average, simple moving average, and another one, and another. No, fuck me. Okay, I have to remove. I have not subscribed, so they're saying I need to pay before I add more signal. So I told them I will not pay. Why will I pay? Just give me this thing. You need to pay, guys. For you to have an awesome trade, you better pay, so that you have a good trade. So one line is not showing, so I got to add one more line, one more indicator, moving average. So after showing you this, I just leaked my secret for you. My secret, I'm just giving you my full secret, what's working for me. But these lines are not showing. What's happening? So I'm gonna, okay, they are in the same, okay, they're showing. So let me set, this one is 200, the moving average. Shataraba. This is a 50 moving average, and this is 20 simple moving average. 20 simple moving average. Okay, and I have my price in 1 day. I changed to 4 hours. This is what I use. Okay, a 24-hour. See, when you see the moving average, the two moving, more especially the three moving average going in the same direction, it shows you that they are in full support of that trend. They are in full support of that trend, and that trend is a strong trend. Okay, is a strong trend. So you don't play with that. Fuck, what happened? Oh my god. Um, cool. So, fuck. What am I adding? Guys, sorry guys, I need to use the one I know better. You know, anything you do is you better find the one that works for you. The one that works for you, you use it. So this one works for me very well. So that's why I'm using it. It may be trading view. This is also trading view, but me, I like to use it in this side, this side of the place. So once I'm applying it, I need to be very careful. Theater, okay. Don't the right nonsense. Theater, theater, USDT. Okay, this is how you determine any price you want to show. So my people, we're talking about moving average, right? So let me add moving average again. You already know about RSI, simple moving average. Using simple moving average, three simple moving average with different time frame, how to smoothen trend. This one is 50 day moving average, okay, and 200 day moving average, and 20 day moving average. So I added all these things and they are all going in the same direction. It shows you that they are fully in support of this particular trend. And notice guys, whenever 50-day moving average is crossing above the 200-day moving average, we got is crossing below the 200-day moving average, we got a dead cross, and that determines dead a, a bearish signal. And when the 200-day moving average is crossing above the 50-day moving average, it's golden cross. I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's way you find the better. Yeah, we find a dead cross and it shows a very big bullish time. So this is 20-day moving average, this is 50-day moving average. You see, this is 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average in a 1 hour is showing you see this is 200-day moving average and 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average crosses below the 200-day moving average and we got a dead cross and the market start going in bearish. The market start falling. Had it been is an awesome trend that in this 1 hour we started first and you see this thing happen, it shows you that this is a downtrend. The price is going to fall and they are fully in support of this trend. You go in a trade and you short. Okay, don't wait for somebody to give you signal. This shows you that the price is going to fall, and once all of them are moving in the same direction like this, you see one moving here, one move, it shows you that they are all in support of this downtrend, and this downtrend is a strong one that is not going to come out news quick. So you cannot just see when they are in the one direction, see when they are in one direction, it supports this trend and this is a bullish trend and all of them went high. Okay, so this video has passed the time frame I debited it from. So the next video will be the part 2 of this. We still have to do more on this, okay? But I am sure and I'm aware that you can make an awesome trade by yourself. I have did about Bollinger Bands. I don't want to add Bollinger Bands here because I have did about it before. Bollinger Band serves as a dynamic support and resistance. When the lower band serves as, wait, let me add even this thing here so that you guys will be seeing what I do. Okay, not many YouTubers or many influencers will do this, but for the love and support, I'm gonna do it for you guys. So this is Bollinger Band. The middle band is a simple day moving average, okay, and the upper band is shows as a dynamic resistance. The lower band is a dynamic support. Okay, sometimes when the upper band, when the middle band touches the price, it shows a bullish reversal. When it touches the price, it shows a bullish reversal. It shows a bullish. You can see from here, you can see from here, you can see from here. So my battery is down. So guys, this is all about this video for today. I think I've showed you many things, and if you have not watched the video I did about how to use only Bollinger Bands and RSI to determine price action, go and watch it. It is in my description below. Try to watch this video. It is in my description. I showed you how you can use Bollinger Band to determine the price action, and also I will show you one of the best exchange that we use, MaxX exchange. One of the best exchange that we are using right now. If you are not using this exchange, that means you don't love the community and you don't want to make an awesome trade by yourself. This is MaxX exchange. This is exchange. Just click here, register with my invitation code in the description below and register and have an awesome trade. MaxX has a very good interface, a very good user friendly with online 24 hours online customer service. Everything you need is in MaxX. This is MaxX exchange. This is the sports trade interface. This is the futures interface. This is the financial interface where you can stake everything you need to stake. So guys, use the description below this video and register your account today and thank me tomorrow. Once you register, you are welcome to my once you register, you will be automatically be added to my group where you can be receiving free daily signals, and all we do is win-win. Once we use the strategy I showed you all, we win a signal, and once we win a signal, we print money, and once we print money, we spend money, and once we spend money, we sleep and wake up, we work again. This is how life is. This is how a crypto trader life is. We spend money, we make money, we print money. Okay, we don't hustle so hard for money. All we need is knowledge, how to analyze signal, analyze a better signal, and you keep printing money every day, every time. Do well to subscribe to this channel. This is Bookers Master Class saying goodbye. Wait out for the part 2 of technical analysis, where I'm going to show you how you can use trend candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns because I didn't talk about that more. This is I said about hammer pattern. This is hammer, this is okay. 4 hour. Let me show you hammer. Where is hammer? Let me show you hammer now so that you see. Yeah, this is hammer. You saw a bullish. Once you see hammer, you saw bullish. Once you see doji, you saw downtrend. If you see doji, you saw downtrend. So guys, subscribe to my channel and welcome to more educating video like this. Use your moving average, apply the same strategy with the RSI, and you are going to make an awesome trade. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Control.